Hello, welcome back to Digital Knowledge 101. Today we will visit to paradise Fiji. This breathtaking Pacific island nation is more than just a dream vacation destination. Stick around, and let's uncover some fascinating facts about Fiji that you probably didn't know. Did you know that Fiji is made up of 333 islands? Out of these, only about 110 are inhabited. That means there are over 200 untouched islands just waiting to be explored. Fiji is one of the happiest countries in the world. The locals, known as Fijians, are famous for their warmth and hospitality, often greeting visitors with a big smile and a hearty bula, which means hello. Fijian culture is rich with traditions. One of the most mesmerizing is the fire dance, a performance that combines storytelling with thrilling feats of bravery and skill. Fiji is home to some of the most spectacular coral reefs in the world. In fact, it's called the soft coral capital of the world, boasting vibrant underwater ecosystems that are perfect for snorkeling and diving. Ever heard of kava? It's a traditional Fijian drink made from the roots of the Icona plant. Kava plays a central role in Fijian ceremonies and social gatherings, and drinking it is said to bring a sense of calm and relaxation. Fiji is crazy about rugby. The nation has one of the best rugby sevens teams in the world. They even won their first Olympic gold medal in rugby at the 2016 Rio Games, a historic moment for the country. From pristine beaches to lush rainforests and rugged mountains, Fiji offers incredible diversity in landscapes. It's a dream destination for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Here's a fun fact. Fiji's currency, the Fijian dollar, features unique designs like native flora, fauna, and even the Queen of England, reflecting its colonial history. Fiji is more than just a destination. It's an experience filled with natural beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable memories. If you're ready to escape to paradise, Fiji is waiting for you. Thanks for watching.